Describe your favorite possession. My favorite possession is my phone. It's an iPhone, and I use it for many things like studying, chatting with my friends, and taking photos. It's very important to me because it helps me stay connected with my family and friends. I use it every day, and I feel lost without it. What is your favorite possession? My favorite possession is my phone. Do you have a phone? Yes, I have a phone. Is your favorite possession a book? No, my favorite possession is my phone. Do you have a favorite possession? Yes, I do. What do I own that I really like? You really like your phone. Do you like your phone? Yes, I like my phone. Is your favorite possession important to you? Yes, it is very important to me. What kind of phone do you have? I have an iPhone. Do you have an Android phone? No, I have an iPhone. Is your phone an iPhone? Yes, it is an iPhone. Do you have an iPhone? Yes, I do. Is your phone new? Maybe, but it is an iPhone. Do you use your iPhone? Yes, I use my iPhone. Do you prefer iPhones? Yes, I like iPhones. What do you use your phone for? I use it for studying, chatting with friends, and taking photos. Do you study with your phone? Yes, I study with my phone. Do you chat with friends using your phone? Yes, I chat with friends using my phone. Do you take photos with your phone? Yes, you do. Can you study on your phone? Yes, I can study on my phone. Is your phone useful for chatting? Yes, it is useful for chatting. Do you like taking photos? Yes, I like taking photos. Is your phone important to you? Yes, my phone is very important to me. Do you think your phone is important? Yes, I do. Why is your phone important? Because it helps me stay connected. Can you live without your phone? Yes, but it would be difficult. Is your phone necessary for your daily life? Yes, it is necessary for my daily life. Do you need your phone every day? Yes, I do. Would you feel strange without your phone? Yes, I would feel strange without it. Who do you stay connected with using your phone? I stay connected with my family and friends. Does your phone help you talk to family? Yes, it helps me talk to my family. Do you use your phone to stay connected? Yes, I do. Do you call your friends on your phone? Yes, I call my friends on my phone. Can you send messages to your family with your phone? Yes, I can send messages to my family. Does your phone help you keep in touch? Yes, it helps me keep in touch. Is it important to stay connected? Yes, it is very important. How often do you use your phone? I use it every day. Do you use your phone daily? Yes, I do. Do you use your phone every morning? Yes, I use it every morning. Is your phone part of your daily routine? Yes, it is part of my daily routine. Do you use your phone at night? Yes, I use it at night. Would you feel strange not using your phone for a day? Yes, I would feel strange. Do you use your phone more than once a day? Yes, I use it many times a day. How do you feel without your phone? I feel lost without it. Do you feel uncomfortable without your phone? Yes, I feel uncomfortable. Would you feel lost without your phone? Yes, I would. Do you think phones are necessary? Yes, I think they are necessary. Is your phone important for your daily life? Yes, it is very important. Can you imagine life without your phone? Yes, but it would be hard. Do you feel connected when you have your phone? Yes, I feel connected.